From the skies above Indian fields, a new revolution is taking flight. No, it's not a bird, it's a drone. And these drones are changing how we grow our food, faster, smarter, and safer than ever before. For decades, farmers have struggled with uneven pesticide spraying, high labor costs, and wasted fertilizers. But today, research and innovation are helping farmers overcome these challenges, with technology built right here in India. This is called smart farming, where technology meets tradition. It uses drones, Internet of Things sensors, and data analytics to monitor crops, measure soil moisture, and spray fertilizers precisely where needed. No more guesswork, only accurate, data-driven decisions. Modern agricultural drones are equipped with GPS, multispectral cameras, and AI software. They can create 3D maps of your farm, detect nutrient deficiencies, monitor crop health, and spray with pinpoint accuracy, saving up to 90% water and 30% pesticide. Across India, agricultural research institutes and startups are developing affordable drone technologies. Institutes like ICAR and LITS are testing AI-based spraying systems. Startups such as Garuda Aerospace and IoTech World are partnering with farmers to make drone services accessible, even in small villages. Farmers who've adopted drones report faster spraying, reduced chemical exposure, and higher yields. A single drone can cover 10 to 20 acres in one day, something that used to take a team several days. The future of agriculture lies in data and automation. Soon, drones will work with soil sensors, weather forecasts, and mobile apps, guiding farmers every step of the way. This is not science fiction, it's already happening. Technology is taking Indian farming to new heights, literally. If you believe in innovation in agriculture, share this video and subscribe to Agriculture Research for more science-backed stories from the field.